Hello traders, what's up? I hope you are doing well. So today we are going to do the analysis of EURUSD and GBPUSD for the next week, and today's dates 13 April and Sunday. So this will be our analysis for next week. And first of all, I am doing the analysis at the monthly time frame. At monthly time frame, I have marked these candles out. First one is this, second one is this, and let's see what's happening in GBPUSD at these days. If you check the marked colors, are you watching? This is a sequential, this is an SMT over here, and if you again check, EURUSD has broken the lows, but if you check GBPUSD, it has not broken the low. So it's a sequential SMT in the lows over here, which was bullish sign, and due to which we can see that the 3 months were bullish, and these are reaching this area, and we will break it down in the next further minutes. So I want you guys to focus on this candle next, this red one, and see the red candle, and see this price is breaking the high over here in EURUSD, and GBPUSD it's not breaking the high. That means we are also able to see a monthly time frame SMT over here, and so according to me, if I'm able to see the monthly time frame, so my monthly time frame is a sort of bearish, because if you see this candle and if you check this out over here, this candle took the liquidity of the previous candle plus this high liquidity, and this was the first candle which led to this change of structure over here. So we can say that this is an valid order block, and the valid order block is now creating an SMT, which is a high powerful SMT, and we can focus on it. So these were our points of interest at the monthly time frame. The same I have marked over here. If you check, see these monthly time frame order block, monthly SMT, downside SMT to be filled. This is the downside SMT which was left, and according to the rules, if there is SMT number 1 at the lows, SMT number 2 at the highs, so the first SMT is likely to be filled. So according to me, this SMT will be filled. And if you check the 3 months, and these are the 3 quarters of the year, Jan, Feb, March, April. Okay, these are the 3 quarters, and according to me, when 3 quarters are bullish, so we can expect the next quarter to be either ranging, or it could be a bearish move down. So this also indicates that finish of buying momentum in the market. So this is the order block. Let's see what's happening in the weekly time frame. So at weekly, I have marked these areas. First one is previous week high, which is also the previous day high and the previous week low. If you check, focus on this area. What's this? This is a weekly balanced price range. You can see this wick and this candle's wick. The area in between is an imbalance, and if you check over here, the next candle, what did it do? It just closed beyond it, and there's no wick inside it. The last wick is over here, and the wick is over here. So what you can see, that this is a pure price zone where there was no wicks, and prices came to balance this price zone. And we can observe that this price, as there is an SMT, you can see previous week played very well over here. It supported the SMT plus the balanced price range, and now we can expect a down move over here. So in Delhi also we have marked these areas, and let's see EURUSD 1 month. If you check, this high is marked as a liquidity point, and price just reversed from here, didn't took the liquidity high, so it's likely to be taken the next week opening. I expect the price goes up in the next week like this and falls down into this and like this. Let's see what happens. And in the daily time frame, so these were our key areas of interest. And let's see H4. Okay, so in H4, this is our area, this is our price range which is forming. There are 1 2 3 4 candles, that means 16 hours of price action within the same range. And we can see that the SLs are accumulating over here. And what I am expecting is that the price goes up according to weekly the same, and according to our H4 also the price action is aligning, and we expect price goes up, manipulates either in London session or the New York, and then we can expect price to come over here in this zone, which is our H4 order block. And previous week new opening gap. And in GBPUSD we have this precision swing point over here. If you see this 5 AM and 3rd April. Okay, let me mark it out. Okay, this candle, if you check the closing of this candle, it's a bullish closing, and if you compare it with GBPUSD, what you see, it's a bearish closing. Bullish closing in EURUSD and bearish closing in GBPUSD. So there is a crack in correlation between both of them. So this candle is our precision swing point. And what did price do? Price just came in, took this previous H4 candles high and made a CRT type of thing. But my key area of focus was that the wick of the precision swing point is to be tested, and I expect price to be broken up here like this, test the wick and come down. I'm expecting that this previous week low is to be taken out because our monthly draw of liquidity is here, and price acts according to the higher time frame. We also have this SMT, means everything is in support with our price action, and weekly balance price zone is over here. If price even runs higher, then there is an order block also at the monthly time frame, so we will be using that. And if we get an I'm expecting to trade a CRT kind of setup, so let's see. And one thing I observed in the price action, which was this candle. If you check this, see this yellow candle, this candle didn't run out these highs, and it went down from here. But if you check the same candle over here, it ran out of the highs of this candle. That means it was an CRT candle which was supported by an SMT. This is an SMT in this, and if you check this, it's an SMT. And price also gave the 50% of this candle as an target, but I'm expecting the price to run up and then fall down. So this was my weekly analysis for next week. Let's see what happens, and stay tuned, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.